it's Annie with your latest tech update. Do you remember getting your first AI assistant, like Siri or Alexa, and being a bit disappointed that it wasn't as good as the tech promised by science fiction? Microsoft's new AI chatbot is definitely a step in the right direction. Copilot is built into the Edge browser and integrated directly into Windows 11, so it can perform a broader range of tasks than ever before. You want an itinerary for your 5-day business trip? Easy. You want a picture from your last presentation? Coming right up. It can even change Windows system settings for you. Oh, and the best part, Copilot understands context. Ask it to summarize a web page on Microsoft Edge, and it will scan and respond accordingly. The preview of Copilot was released in the Windows 11 2023 update. It's just a glimpse of what it will be able to do in future. Can we help you with this or any other Windows tools? Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.